Ladies and gentlemen, meet the $3 million Lamborghini Motorhome 2026. The future of luxury travel has officially arrived, and it's every bit as wild as you'd expect from Lamborghini. Just look at this thing. It's part hypercar, part spaceship, and part five-star suite on wheels. Front design is a masterpiece of aggression and elegance. Those razor-sharp LED lines give it that signature Lamborghini face, and the massive panoramic windshield looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Even standing still, it looks like it's breaking the speed limit. The body is sculpted from ultra-lightweight carbon composite, sitting on 6 enormous alloy wheels, each wrapped in performance-grade tires. Every panel, every vent, every angle screams aerodynamic precision. The Lamborghini crest sits proudly on the side, reminding you this isn't just luxury, it's performance reimagined. Even in a luxury showroom filled with exotic cars, this Lamborghini Motorhome dominates the space. It's not just a vehicle, it's a work of art. The lighting highlights every sculpted edge, every futuristic detail. This is design perfection on another level. Underneath that striking shell, Lamborghini has packed some serious tech. Active aerodynamics, AI-controlled suspension, adaptive lighting, and an electric-assisted V12 hybrid engine delivering over 800 horsepower. Yes, 800 horsepower in a motorhome. Inside, think marble floors, carbon fiber walls, touchscreen everything, and a bedroom that feels more like a luxury suite at the Burj Al Arab. This isn't camping, this is living Lamborghini style. The $3 million Lamborghini Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a revolution in luxury travel. Fast, futuristic, and flawlessly designed. So tell me, if you had the money, would you drive this beast across the world or park it as art in your garage? Step inside, and the living lounge welcomes you with handcrafted Italian leather, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Every detail screams opulence. This isn't a motorhome, it's a luxury suite on wheels. The kitchen is a designer's dream. Marble countertops, premium appliances, the built-in espresso bar. Every appliance is Lamborghini engineered for elegance and efficiency. Whether you're making breakfast or a 5-course dinner, this space has you covered. Now, this is where things get truly next level. The Lamborghini Master Suite, a king-sized memory foam bed, carbon fiber trim, touchscreen lighting control, and even a glass roof for stargazing while parked in the middle of nowhere. It's pure luxury Lamborghini style. Bathroom feels like it belongs in a penthouse suite. A rainfall shower, heated mirrors, marble sinks, and gold fixtures. Yes, gold. Even the lighting adjusts automatically for your mood. Who said road trips couldn't feel like the Ritz-Carlton? Driver's cockpit is a blend of supercar and spaceship, dual digital screens, an AI-powered driving assistant, and an augmented reality windshield that overlays navigation directly onto the road. It's high-tech luxury redefined. Underneath, it packs a V12 hybrid engine pushing 800 horsepower, paired with an all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension. Top speed limited to 150 miles per hour, because Lamborghini wants you to arrive in style, not just fast. At night, it transforms. The ambient lights wrap around the body, creating a halo effect. It doesn't just light the road, it commands attention wherever it goes. All this luxury and performance comes at a cost, jaw-dropping $3 million. For those who can afford it, it's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of power, innovation, and limitless freedom. Lamborghini hasn't just built a motorhome, they've built a new way to travel. If this blew your mind as much as it did ours, smash that like button, subscribe for more super luxury reviews, and share this video with someone who'd love to own this dream machine, because this isn't the future, it's happening now.